Okay, now let's create 4 subnets. So we are still using the same IP address from the previous example, 192.168.1.0 as the starting address. Okay, now because we want to create 4 subnets, still using the same formula, 2 to the power of what? You will get more or equal to 4. So the value of n is equal to 2. And the new subnet mask now is /26 because we need to borrow 2 bits from the host part into the network part. So /26 means the bit of number 1 is 26, and when we convert it to binary, the last octet will be 11000000. When we convert it back to decimal notation, so the new subnet mask is 255.255.255.192. Okay, let's start with the first subnet. So the first subnet, now you have to filter up to this 26 bits. So as previous example, the host part must be 0 for network address. So you get 192.168.1.0 as the network address. And to get the broadcast address for the first subnet, you have to make the host part all bits number 1. When we convert it to binary, you convert it to decimal, you get .63. So the IP addresses that are usable for this subnet is starting from 192.168.1.1 until 192.168.1.62. Yeah, so this is for the simplification. I just take the last octet. Okay, the second subnet. So the next address is .64. When you convert it to binary, you get 01000000. So to get network address, the host part must be 0. Okay, so this is our host part. Remember, we filter up to 26 bits. So you get 192.168.1.64 as the network address for subnet 2. And the broadcast address, the host part must all become bit number 1. Convert it back to decimal, so you get 192.168.1.127. So the usable IP addresses for the second subnet are 0.63 until 0.126. Okay, how about the third subnet? The third subnet starting from 1 to 8. Okay, so now we are doing for the third subnet. So 1 to 8 is 10000000. So this is 1 to 8 in decimal, and using the same bit, but now all the host parts has become bit number 1. So when we convert this to decimal, we will get 191. So you just calculate it. So the range of IP addresses for the third subnet is from 1 to 9 until 190. Another way to check if your network address or broadcast address is correct, the network address must be an even value and the broadcast address must be an odd value. So if you get it differently, there must be something wrong with your calculation. Okay, for the last subnet, what is the network address for the last subnet? So the next one would be 192. Convert it to binary, 110000. Okay, so because the host part must be 0 for the network address, So the network address of subnet 4 is 192. For the broadcast address, 111111. Convert it to decimal, you will get 255. Okay. So the range of IP addresses for the last subnet, which is the fourth subnet, is starting from 193 until 254. How to verify? Remember the format? 2 to the power of bit host, which is 6 minus 2, you will get 62 hosts. So please check. Yes, previously we got for the first subnet 0.1 until 0.62. Yes, correct. And the second subnet we get from 65 until 126. Also correct, 62 hosts. This is also 62 hosts, and this is also 62 hosts. So this is correct. Thank you.